morning, sir. My name is Jagrit Marwaha. I come from Ludhiana, Punjab. I've done my 10th and 12th from DCM Presidency School, Ludhiana, and I'm currently in my final year of undergraduation. I'm doing my undergrad from SCD Government College, Boys, Ludhiana, and I'm doing my undergraduation in BCom Honors. I'm a state level gold medalist, and I've done substantial courses in basics of Tele and Excel Advanced with a course from IIM Ahmedabad on supply chain digitalization of supply chain management. Apart from that, I am a internship member.
I'll cut it here now. It is already around 35 seconds.
Yes, sir.
So इतना ही 35 to 40 seconds ही होगी normally introduction.
Okay.
So we cut down on this 10th plus 2 from DSCM presidency. It is not that they will be able to relate. They are not from Ludhiana. They don't know what is DCM group.
Okay.
And it is a local Punjab phenomena, DCM. So need not mention. Plus 2 छोड़ दो पूरा. So you start with, sir. I am pursuing my graduation with Bachelor of Commerce from SCD Government College, Ludhiana. Number 1. Number 2, state level gold medalist किस गेम में थे?
In Taekwondo.
हाँ, तो वो टाइकोंडो मिस ही हो गया. इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड उन्होंने नहीं करना पूछना, जैसे मैं तो पूछ रहा हूँ ना, उन्होंने नहीं पूछना. उन्होंने कहा कि भाई गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है, वो बता नहीं रहा किस चीज़ में है, पता नहीं, कम्युनिकेशन इशू. So I am a state level gold medalist in Taekwondo, and then Taekwondo is a worldwide sport.
Yes, sir. It's
तो
worldwide.
उसमें वर्ल्ड का चैंपियन गर्ल्स भी करती हैं इसको.
हाँ जी.
तो वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस मेल फीमेल, इंडियन चैंपियन मेल फीमेल दोनों का पता होना चाहिए. मेल फीमेल, ठीक है. ये मतलब बैक एंड पे
Yes, sir.
ये सीधा नहीं पूछेगा, अगले लेवल पे आएगा. तो इंट्रोडक्शन, सर आई एम परसुइंग बीकॉम from one of the biggest college in Ludhiana, SCD Government College, and I have interest in sports, taekwondo. I have participated in state level. My father is into business. किस चीज़ का?
Hosiery.
Production.
Manufacturing, yes, sir.
So my father is into business of hosiery items. Hosiery item कौन सी है? T-shirts है.
Knitting cloth.
हाँ, तो ये बोलने का है. So my father is into hosiery manufacturing. He makes knitting cloth, and right from my childhood, I have grown seeing him manage his business. So that inculcated a interest for management in me, because of which I chose BCom, the commerce line, and because though others were ये भी redundant information, others were saying science ले लो जो होता है स्कूल में, उसको छोड़ो, redundant है तो है. So because of that interest which got generated, I chose commerce as a stream of my education, and now I want to go for an MBA, post which I will be working in the field of my interest, which is marketing and finance. So इस अभी तक आ गया था मेरी इंट्रोडक्शन में, ये स्टेट लेवल. आई हैव इंटरेस्ट इन स्पोर्ट्स एंड, और उसके बाद पापा का बोलना. पापा के बोलने से बिजनेस, मैंने छोटे होते से ग्रो बिजनेस फैमिली में हूँ, तो मैंने देखा बिजनेस कैसे चलते हैं. दैट्स हाउ आई हैव.
सर, बिजनेस की जगह मैं अपना वो भी बता सकता हूँ कि कॉलेज सोसाइटीज एंड एक्सटर्नल एक्टिविटीज दैट आई हैव डन.
वो छोटी चीज़ें, वो आएगा अगर टाइम, अगर लगा कि वो बड़े आराम से 40 सेकंड तक सुन रहे हैं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज से पता चल जाता है. If they look comfortable and if they are not nodding and they are showing interest in to hear more about your introduction, it can go up to 1 minute also. 1 minute or 1.15 or 1.2, etc. etc. So let's now do it again. So introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jagrit Marwaha. I'm from Ludhiana, Punjab. I'm currently in my final year of undergraduation from SCD Government College, Boys, Ludhiana. My father is from a business background. He's a hosiery manufacturer. Being in a business family, I've always been aligned to business and manufacturing and commerce-related fields. The reason that I chose BCom as my degree. I'm a state level gold medalist as well in Taekwondo.
थोड़ा ना एक मोनोटोनस आ रहा है टोन. सेंटेंसेस की लेंथ भी ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, टोन भी सेम है, टेनर भी सेम है, तो उससे ना अगले को इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा आपकी स्टोरी में. तो लेट मी आर्टिकुलेट टू यू. फिर आप वीडियो बार बार सुनना. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Jagrit. I hail from Ludhiana, which is the biggest industrial town and biggest city of Punjab. And I am pursuing graduation in commerce. Why I chose commerce was because my father runs a hosiery business. अब देखो कितना मॉड्यूलेशन हो रही है, कहीं पे मेरा सेंटेंस इतना लंबा है, कहीं इतना है, तो जब टक 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 हम लगाएंगे तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. तो why I chose the field of commerce as a stream of my graduation, because I had seen, I have grown up seeing my father manage his business. Right from my childhood, I have seen how businesses are run, so I got more interest in finance and account. On a others than academics, I participate in sports. I have participated national level. I have national level gold medalist for taekwondo. Taekwondo is not a further है, एक गेम है, उधर भी होती है ओलंपिक्स वगैरह.
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
तो ये फिर इसको छोड़ क्यों रहे हो? स्टेट लेवल गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट इज बिग थिंग.
Yeah.
तो फिर अब इसके बाद नेशनल जाने का चांस नहीं था?
कैंसिल हो गया था
क्या?
नेशनल्स मेरा ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम. आई वाज सिलेक्टेड फॉर द नेशनल्स बट वो कैंसिलेशन हो गई थी कोविड के करके.
ये मतलब टूर्नामेंट कैंसिल हो गया, नेशनल टूर्नामेंट.
नेशनल टूर्नामेंट
उसके बाद दोबारा फिर एज उसका इशू हो गया,
उसके बाद मेरा
छोड़ दिया, discontinue.
छोड़ दिया था डिस्काउंट.
इसमें थोड़ा सा पहले ही बोल देना है. अगर वो कहेगा यू आर गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, सो यू व्हाई डोंट यू परस्यू दिस.
But actually, the thing is that I got the admission in my college under sports quota. I was given an option either the general category or the sports quota. So I opted for sports
हाँ, तो
quota.
वो हमको क्या मेंशन करना है? कुछ नहीं करना है.
वो ट्रायल्स होते हैं तो फिर मैंने तब भी खेला था.
ना वो सब ठीक है, बट बोलने की दरकार नहीं है कॉलेज में हम किस कोटे में गया, कुछ जरूरत नहीं. वो तो हमारी अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन है, घर की बात.
हाँ जी.
We don't share it unless until it is too much poked. So we should say, sir, I am Jagrit. I hail from Ludhiana, which is the biggest town of Punjab, and it is an industrial hub of textile, cycle parts, and cycles manufacturing. And I had taken commerce because my father runs a business in hosiery industry, hosiery line, which is related to manufacturing. I have seen right from my childhood how he manages his business, and that's how my interest in business management grew. And I took the field of commerce. And now, parallel to my academics, I have been a regular sports enthusiast. I have state level gold medalist. I am a state level gold medalist in taekwondo. And now about my hobbies, थोड़ा बताओ और hobbies क्या हैं?
I play guitar and tabla.
Very good. Guitar and tabla.
I have started reading recently.
Very good.
I am into fitness as well.
Very good. इतने सारे नहीं बोलने. ये sitar, guitar and tabla is good. So now I want to pursue an MBA because I think it will open lot of good opportunities for me to learn new things and then apply them during internships and my job. थोड़ा सा MBA का हमने अपने आप ही बोल दिया. अगर इतना बोल देंगे और वो कंफर्टेबली सुन रहे हुए 70-80 सेकंड तक, तो हम ये सब चटका देंगे वहाँ. और अगर वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगे तो यहाँ पे कट होएगा, यहाँ पे मैं taekwondo ये वो. And I have also participated in various extracurriculars etc. उतने पे close हो जाएगा. फिर they are like 90% chances they are likely to ask why are you going for an MBA, why not CA? Tell me. Why don't you go for CA? BCom is a very good base for CA.
Because in the long term, my goals are joining a good company and at a good leadership school, leadership job, and my interest is in marketing and operations and not finance. So an MBA in marketing directly aligns with my long-term goals of leading a management role in a company, and doing it from IIM Delhi will help me a lot in it.
Why IIM Delhi?
Because IIM Delhi has a strong corporate relationship, as it is the first corporate-run B school in India, and it has companies like RPG Group, ITC, and Nestle as its lead investors. And due to its vast curriculum and its international relationship with other universities as well.
Who is right now the dean of IMI? थोड़ा पढ़ लेना.
I forgot that. Yeah.
कोई बात नहीं. So any professor?
Yes, sir. There's one professor, Professor Sanjay Dhamija. He's a CFA holder and he has published 3 times a company law the book of company law, and he has done multiple roles and and courses from various universities like Harvard and Frankfurt.
What is the name?
Professor Sanjay Damija.
What subject he teaches?
Accounting and finance.
Why did you not focus on marketing? Because you are a marketing guy. You want to go for marketing.
Yes, sir.
तो एक marketing का भी देख के रखो. Better है वही quote करो. How do you see India by 2050?
I see India as a Atmanirbhar Bharat and as an exporter and not an importer of goods and services, and a fully self-sufficient developed economy with minimal unemployment and very good infrastructure and health conditions in the country as well.
And you by 2050?
I see myself as leading a management role in a top tier company and having a balanced work life culture and work life job as well.
I'll come to the feedback. So एक flow में करते हैं. Hobbies you said guitar and tabla. Up to what level you know guitar?
Guitar and tabla. So I play guitar and tabla at a very basic level. I have a minimal knowledge of guitar but I play tabla professionally as well at various events of gurdwaras and spiritual events as well. Apart from that,
Since which age you have been learning both of these?
tabla I've been learning since my 8th grade, and guitar
You had interest or
I had interest in tabla.
and
I
guitar?
had interest in learning new things
in
to
guitar.
tabla since my first year of graduation.
Who is the famous guitarist in the world? Most famous? कर लेना इसको.
Then, sir,
80% तबला का who is the right now the biggest one after Zakir Hussain?
Zakir Hussain के बाद, I know Punjab के Lavinder Singh.
So you know the nationally. Marketing में पूछेगा 7 P's of marketing.
Product, price, place, promotion, physical evidence, people, and
Packaging, pricing आ गया.
price.
So
Process
what is STP?
STP, segmentation, targeting, and planning.
Positioning.
Positioning. Segmentation is dividing your consumer on the basis of different like demographic factors, psychological factors, and then geographical factors, and then behavioral factors of the consumer as well. Targeting is
Give us some examples of ATL and BTL marketing activities. Name one. Above the line.
below the line.
Above the line जैसे newspaper ads, TV commercials,
Yes.
which is for masses, big volumes. Normally applicable for FMCG items, cars, etc. Which is for a larger population. Below the line, direct messaging,
Emails.
mails, flyers, seminars, sessions, etc. Directly you are hitting the customer. Mostly those BTL. Then what are the important digital marketing? अच्छा एक चीज. Okay, carry on. What are the important digital marketing tools these days?
AI and machine learning, and omni-channels, and cloud-based analytical planning.
Second one, what did you say? Omni-channel.
Omni-channels.
What is it?
Omni-channel is when you provide the customer experience through online and offline modes. One of its biggest example is Lenskart.
Okay.
It has an online store and offline stores as well.
What else?
Omni-channel, AI and machine learning, and then we have
AI
cloud-based.
machine learning, how it helps in digital marketing?
It helps in planning of how to market a product. Not machine learning.
Through AI questions what you ask.
Yes.
It will tell you how you
Through
should
AI,
place.
through AI analysis of the consumer and the product that is running in the market right now.
Have you seen anything of this sort physically?
Yes, sir. Amul recently just did a marketing campaign that was done in collaboration with Amul and Babulu dolls, and it was done via their AI generative system.
ये ये अच्छा है. You quoted something very live and actual. So इसको ध्यान रखना. ये कहीं ना कहीं यूज कर लेना. और इसके आगे भी पता है कैसे यूज हुआ क्या
हाँ
है.
जी, 2025 में यूज हुआ था.
What else?
And then we have their cloud-based digital marketing as well. Apart from that, we have content marketing, social media marketing, and then email-based marketing that has been done.
Then you are missing out SEO, search engine optimization.
Search engine optimization, that was
Then your Instagram IG boost. Then
that.
FB boost. कोई
Pay-per-click.
so FB boost etc etc. And YouTube. YouTube is also very effective.
They comes under PPP, pay-per-click, to Google, Instagram, and then all of these use.
So all these are also very effective, relevant and effective. Any famous alumni you know? IMI famous alumni. नहीं देखा ना अभी देख लेना. Famous alumni. Role model.
Father is my role model.
Why?
Because he came from a very economically backwards background. My grandfather was not that economically good, and then he handled everything. He was originally from Yamunanagar, Haryana. He moved to Ludhiana and he did a lot of small jobs as well. And then after that he started
Right.
trading and then his own business.
Anyone from corporate world?
Aman Gupta, sir.
Okay. Boat wala.
Both. Because even after doing an MBA from ISB, he did not hesitate to leave a very good company like JBL, and even after a lot of failures in his prior businesses, he kept on working hard, and he finally built Boat after failures of a few of his ventures prior to it.
You are the marketing chief of a top company, car manufacturing company, and you have to launch a new car. What will be your approach?
Firstly, I'll see my target audience. I'll segment the market according to the customer base of that is provided to me.
And what will be the starting point?
I'll segment the market in different customer bases, and then I'll see the customer base that my company can give me the most profit, so that I'll target, and after that,
Cool. Strengths. Your strengths.
I'm a team player, and I have good management skills for an event as well, as I have done multiple events in my college for my college society and for external bodies in Ludhiana as well, like Palm Walk and Pet Pro India, and I have good time management skills too.
Weaknesses.
Weaknesses is that I do not delegate my work. I take a lot of I take the whole toll of the work to myself, and I've been working on it by delegating the work to the proper individual that can fulfill the work in it.
Okay, we'll come to the feedback now. Overall, it is good. 7.5 to 8 out of 10 we are getting. But our goal is to get 10 out of 10. So I'll tell you where the gaps are. So I had also miscleared something in the introduction regarding your extra development efforts.
Yes.
So you need to bring it here surely towards the end of the introduction. So So introduction should be, sir, I hail from city of Ludhiana. My father is into hosiery business. He's manufacturing hosiery items. I have seen I have seen him run his business since my childhood, and that is how I took commerce as a field of interest for my graduation. Now we are past. Now at present, I have done recently in the last 1 year or so. I have done a lot of extra development efforts like programs from these and these programs. Number two, then I would like to go for an MBA into this, and on the which will help me, which will open great opportunities for me. फिर last में आ गया in the I am a sports enthusiast, and I have won the gold medalist this thing, and then I have also been in various committees, etc. Lot of I have a mix of extracurricular, uh, curricular, background, mix of all. So I think which makes me quite apt or quite fit for going for an MBA program.
Okay,
तो
so
ये वाले जरूरी थे जो programs किए हो ना उनका वो
I want to add my extracurriculars में मैंने जो events करे हैं
हाँ,
और जो मैंने manage करे हैं वो भी.
बोल देने का वही इसीलिए मैं लेके आया हूँ. लास्ट में हमारी बात हुई है. They are good ones जो आपने किए हैं, जो 2-3 नाम बोले ना सिटी में, इसके साथ ये किया
और
इसके
बहुत
हाँ,
Fit Pro India के साथ
हाँ,
करे events.
हाँ, तो ये बोलने का है. तो ये बोलना है. इंट्रोडक्शन एक बार फिर से इसी बातचीत के हिसाब से लिटिल बिट हो गया पास. फादर बिजनेस बीकॉम में कैसे इंटरेस्ट आया, फिर मैंने इवेंट्स किए, उसमें मेरा मार्केटिंग एक्सपोजर बना, फिर मैंने एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर किए, फिर मैंने स्पोर्ट्स में किया, टीम वर्क और ये सब डेवलप हुआ, लीडरशिप डेवलप हुआ, एंड नाउ आई वांट टू गो फॉर एन एमबीए. उससे आई विल बी एबल टू गेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर इंटर्नशिप एंड जॉब्स which will help me have a good which will help me in lifting my career and go and as a life and career both will be uplifted. फिर आता है भाई एमबीए. नॉट सीए वाला आंसर अच्छा नहीं था.
Okay.
सीए में यू स्टडी, एक आंसर इसका, एक ये वाला चौका ठीक था. आई वांट टू डू मार्केटिंग नॉट फाइनेंस, बट ये इससे सॉलिड आंसर ही आ जाता है. सर आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम माय सीनियर्स that during an MBA we learn all gambits of management. We learn
All gamut of management.
we learn about all domains of management, like financial management, macro level management, accounting. दो इनको बाद में नाम लेना. HR, marketing, operations, supply chain, then this finance and macro level management, accounting, etc. So ये 5 जो बाकी चीजें हैं वो सीए में नहीं पढ़ेंगे. पहली इशू सीए के साथ ए. So we learn about all domains of management like HR, marketing, operations. वो नाम लेने जो सीए में नहीं कराते ज़्यादा. Second thing, CA is not a residential program. CA is not a residential program. And I have heard from my seniors, आप इनको बोल देना ऐसे शुभम जैन वगैरह, किसी का नाम लेना गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज का, ये क्या नाम है, गुरनीत सिंह, किसी का बोलना. I have heard when I interacted with my seniors from my college who have done MBA from top colleges are doing very well. They shared that lot of learning during the MBA program happens through the campus life, where you are sitting with the where you learn and you do lot of projects along with your peer group. This is very important. ये दो सबसे बड़े पॉइंट हैं. अब ये देखो, अब ये लग रहा है ना अपने को आई वांट टू डू मार्केटिंग नॉट फाइनेंस, तो ये अब आंसर उसके सामने हल्का लग रहा है. ये इसी से अपने 10 होने नंबर. तो why are you coming for an MBA? Why not CA? So CA is a more focused program for finance and accounts and audit. चलो finance and accounts पे रखो ध्यान, पहली बात. Whereas during MBA we learn not just about finance but all domains of management like HR, marketing, operations, supply chain management, etc. पहला पिलर ये हो गया. सेकंड हो गया CA is not a residential program, and I have heard from my seniors that lot of learning during an MBA takes place through peer activities, through projects which we do together with our teammates, college mates, batchmates, etc. Which also is a big difference between CA and this program. इसके बाद वो पूछेगा नहीं कुछ, इतना का आंसर दे दोगे. Why am I strong corporate relationship?
दिल्ली का मैंने ये भी बोलना था बिकॉज it has 10 societies and 18 student run councils and I'd love to be a part of a club that is named Jagriti.
गुड. डीन ऑफ IMI देख लेना, इन्होंने शायद SP जैन का उठाया था जो मुझे याद आता है. एक टाइम आया था 4 साल पहले जब IMI ऐसे जाने लग गया था, फिर दे ब्रॉट इन सम गुड डीन्स एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज इम्प्रूव्ड. सो आप डीन का प्रोफाइल देखना, आई थिंक ही कुड बी फ्रॉम सम अदर टॉप बी स्कूल, जवाहरलाल बजाज या SP जैन या ऐसे किसी का हो सकता है. तो आप बोल सकते हो सर आई हैव सीन द प्रोफाइल ऑफ योर डीन, ही इज ex SP जैन which is very respected, which was among the top 10, plus IMI has a legacy. अब जैसे लेगेसी आएगा, एनी प्रोफेसर यू कैन नेम, ये बोला, बट मार्केटिंग का भी एक देख के रखो, मार्केटिंग में भी तेज है. फिर आएगा फेमस एलुमिनाई, वो अपना थोड़ा सा वीक एरिया था. इंडिया बाय 2050, आत्मनिर्भर भारत, गुड. एक्सपोर्टर नॉट इम्पोर्टर, गुड, मैक्रो लेवल. थर्डली आप बोलो कि आई वुड लाइक टू सी इंडियाज पर कैपिटा इनकम रैंक, पर कैपिटा इनकम रैंक टू बी among top 20, to be at least among the top 20 economies. top 20 में आना चाहिए पर कैपिटा रैंक. ये थर्ड आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव है. फोर्थ आपका हो वी आई थिंक हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स is also very important for me. People should be not just rich and they should have money, but their happiness index also should be better. तो वो आज का देख लेना रैंक, and what you would like to it to be. You by 2050 थोड़ा सा वीक सा आंसर था. 2050 तक means approximately 24 years down the line. So senior management, I would like to be in the I would like to be either I would like to be in the senior management level position of a company of repute, where I will be managing team of professionals leading towards common goals and taking care of all the people who work under me and involved in decision making, policy making. Either I'll ये होगी कहानी, और 24 years or as 24 years down the line is quite a far off time, so it could be possible that I may have started something of my own. तो वो पूछेगा किस में करोगे, क्या है, हेजी पिक्चर क्या है माइंड में, तो यू कैन से सर मे बी ए मार्केटिंग एजेंसी, marketing and advertising agency, or some unique concept or unique items having startup. ठीक है, ऑब्वियस ठीक था, ऑब्वियस और अच्छा है. ये यहाँ पे थोड़ी थोड़ी वीकनेस थी. बाय 2025 दिमाग में सोचो कहाँ कह रहा है, 24 साल, आज मैं 26 में 24 की बात कर रहे हैं, तो 24 साल में तो मैं सीनियर मैनेजमेंट में जाऊँगा, तो उसमें क्या आना है, उसमें बोलना है डिसीजन मेकिंग, पॉलिसी मेकिंग, and I will be making direct positive impact to the lives of many people who will be working with me or who will be the stakeholders of the company where I will be working. इस तरह से आंसर देंगे. Then ये ठीक था, strategy 7 P's भी ठीक है. ATL BTL में थोड़ा सा वीक था, we have discussed about it. Direct marketing, sorry digital marketing, तो इसमें जो सबसे आज के दिन में भी relevant ही है SEO, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, SMM भी होता है, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट इट. सर्च आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर, बट SMM ही टर्म यूज हो रही है. SEO तो श्योर है. IG बूस्ट, फेसबुक बूस्ट, यूट्यूब मार्केटिंग. लेट मी जस्ट से
वो PPC के अंदर आते हैं वर्किंग.
SMM सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग.
सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग में बोलना.
सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग, अच्छा उसी का शॉर्ट फॉर्म, सॉरी, गुड. तो दिस इज गुड. तो इसमें को क्या क्या आएगा?
सोशल social media marketing agencies. So
एजेंसी नहीं, टूल्स क्या हैं इसमें? ब्लॉग्स राइटिंग कैन बी देयर, देन आई थिंक लिंक्डइन मार्केटिंग, देन आई थिंक फेसबुक वगैरह भी सोशल मीडिया ही है, फेसबुक,
actually,
इंस्टाग्राम।
I was a part of a social media marketing agency. So its name was Sweet Time Studio. So under their programs, their events, I was in the I was in the OC of the events that I said earlier.
तो उसको बोल देना सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग कंपनी दिस। तो इसमें मेरे ख्याल से एफबी भी आएगा, सोशल मीडिया ही
हाँ जी, social media.
व्हाट्सएप आ जाएगा।
Actually वो handle करते हैं social media marketing में आपका सारा.
मैं समझ गया, मैं तो आगे का उसकी डिटेल पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या क्या करते हैं। फेसबुक एक होगा, आईजी होगा, देन समथिंग ऑन, अगर हम कोरा में कुछ लिखते हैं या ये जो है ब्लॉग्स वगैरह लिखते हैं वो भी इसी में आता है, तो समथिंग लाइक दैट। देन आई एम आई फेमस एलुमिनाई देख लो, दो दो रखो ध्यान में। देन रोल मॉडल, ठीक है, इट्स गुड, इट वाज गुड, फादर एग्जांपल एंड वाई इट वाज गुड, अमन का भी वेरी गुड, इट वाज गुड। मार्केटिंग चीफ ऑफ ए कार में, हाँ इसमें ना थोड़ा सा इशू था जो पुरानी हमने क्लासेस में भी बात की हुई है। सो द थिंग विल स्टार्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई स्टार्ट विद द, आई विल मेक ए सर्वे ऑफ द, आई विल डू ए गैप एनालिसिस। I think it should start somewhere from here. What I am offering, gap from it to what consumers, what ऐसा आंसर दे दिया ना, हो गया काम। What consumer wants and also what consumer may want in 5 years, 10 years, etc. So I'll first start with the gap analysis exercise, under which first of all I'll try to understand what I am offering, what the consumer wants, what are the gaps in this. Secondly, similar to this, what my competitor, best competitor, market leader is offering, and what consumer wants, what are the gaps. Got me?
Yes.
So from that I'll identify, and from what I am offering, what customer may want in 5 to 10 years, I'll make analysis, and what I am offering in 5 to 10 years, what my competitors product से क्या gaps आ रहे हैं वो identify हो गए। उसके बाद then you will start thinking about changes or likely changes in consumer behavior and consumption pattern। समझ रहे हो? ये लैंग्वेजेस यूज करनी है, कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर एंड कंजम्पशन पैटर्न। आज क्या वो यूज कर रहा है, क्या खा रहा है, और आने वाले स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, कॉमा, डूइंग एन सर्वे एंड forecasting could be based on brainstorming, that about what changes are likely changes in consumer behavior and consumer pattern, consumption pattern may exist or may appear। समझ गए बात? जैसे कंपनी है उसने गेमिंग पे काफ़ी ही जोर लगाया था, नाम भूल रहा है मुझे अभी, बेटा नहीं बोला था, उसकी वीडियो किसी डॉक्यूमेंट्री दिखाई थी, इनविजिया और समथिंग, इनविडिया, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द नेम। उसने दे स्पेंट लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन gaming softwares, gaming software readiness, Nvidia or something company which spent hugely on gaming technology and softwares। will search it and share it in the group. So there is a company which, when others were focusing on different types of processors, etc., that focused on processors which will be required for gaming industry.
Yes, yes.
I'll share. So they were almost 3 to 4 years ahead of their, curve of the what present need was. So it was near bankruptcy, and later on it made billions of dollars. So right time they invested in semiconductors, processors, and such processors which will be used in the gaming, uh, you know, video gaming stations, and laptop or computers which will have gaming options, because they're very fast reaction times, etc. Processing is very fast. So so gap analysis, then identify gap analysis means सारे आ गए, present gaps from our product to what consumer is getting and wanting, likely changes, etc. And then from there you will start thinking of product conceptualization stage. सारा दिया हुआ है फ्लिप कॉटल की बुक में, नहीं भी दिया होगा तो दिस इज मैक्रो लेवल. Gap analysis of where what we are offering, what customer wants and what he may want. So gaps are from there. Gaps from what competitor is giving, what customers want, what customers may want, उससे उसके gaps. तो मैं अपने आप को ऐसे अलाइन करूँगा कि मैं उसके भी gaps मीट करूँ, अपने भी करूँ, और फ्यूचर में भी जो चीज़ चल रही है वो दूँ. तो सबसे पहले it will start with the gap analysis service. Then product conceptualization stage. इससे पहले आ जाएगा changes in demography, changes in, इसी में आ जाएगा customers may perceive, what they may want. जैसे एक एग्जांपल है राहुल बजाज स्कूटर. देयर वाज अ टाइम, पापा को पता होगा, देयर यूज्ड टू बी 15 to 20 months वेटिंग पीरियड फॉर गेटिंग ए बजाज चेतक, and that was a Stepney having scooter. So Rahul Bajaj could see that there will be a big change in the 5 or 10 years down the line as compared to my today's waiting period of 15 to 20 months. I'll have to work on something. Otherwise, normal company owner or the CEO will think very comfortably and sit very comfortably. 15-20 महीने का waiting period है, बनाई जो scooter नहीं जाओ, क्या जरूरत है कुछ और नया करने की. But they checked the gap which is likely to come in 5 to 10 years down the line, because the road quality was improving. Roads quality, including villages, etc., were improving. A big factor. Secondly, the youth population was increasing. So youth is more, youth's preference in their surveys, it may have come out that youth prefer two-wheeler bike, easy to bend, easy to drive, enthusiastic, good look. Forget about Stepney, I don't bother about Stepney. And when these two factors they came in, they started developing bikes, even when there was waiting period for Chetak. So this is too critical to understand. So then product conceptualization stage. So he would have proposed to his father, I am thinking of making bike now. In 3 years, with 2 or 3 years, we should launch bike. पिताजी ने कहा होगा यार एक स्कूटर की वेटिंग चल रही है, चेतक दी तू की गल्ला कर रहा है, क्या इन फैक्टर्स पे आगे का देखो क्या होने वाला है, तो मेरे को बाइक करने दो. तो because of that, wave, because of that decision to stay 4 to 5 years ahead of the wave, they survived, number one, in the automobile sector, plus they grew very well in the bike segment. तो प्रोडक्ट कंसेप्चुलाइजेशन स्टेज, विच प्रोडक्ट कैसा है, फिर आता है प्रोटोटाइप मेकिंग, डिजाइन स्टेज. अब इसमें कई सारे और टूल्स हैं, वो आपको नहीं बताता मैं, जैसे QFD है, क्वालिटी फंक्शन डिप्लॉयमेंट एक्सेट्रा, दे आर वेरी एडवांस टूल्स, आप मत सोचिए. बस एक फिर डिजाइन स्टेज आएगा, फिर प्रोटोटाइप स्टेज. जैसे मैंने बताया ना, आज वो कर रहा है टोयोटा की हाइड्रोजन सेल की गाड़ियाँ चल रही हैं, प्रोटोटाइप बने हैं वो 8-9 हज़ार. इट्स अ वेरी बिग नंबर ऑफ प्रोटोटाइप. पायलट लॉट ही है बेसिकली, प्रोटोटाइप से आगे पायलट लॉट होता है. तो एक पायलट लॉट बना के वो टेस्टिंग में फेंका हुआ उन्होंने पूरी जगह, इंडिया में भी दिया हुआ. तो ये प्रोटोटाइप डेवलपमेंट हुआ, फिर आ गया फाइनल प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन, क्लोज किया इसको। इसके बाद फाइनल प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन, देन प्राइसिंग, पैकेजिंग, पैकेजिंग छोड़ो बहुत छोटा पॉइंट है, प्राइसिंग, प्रमोशन, लॉन्चिंग, प्रोडक्शन, देन डिलीवरी, देन कस्टमर फीडबैक। कस्टमर फीडबैक आइडियली ये इन पे भी, प्रोटोटाइप्स पे भी, जो जो कस्टमर को जिस चीज़ को भी दिया है, यहाँ पे भी फीडबैक लेनी बहुत ज़रूरी है। फीडबैक आएगी, अगर आप उसके बेसिस पे करेक्शन करके नया प्रोडक्ट मारोगे सही चलेगा, नहीं तो वो सारे 20 एरर जो पब्लिक को पसंद नहीं आए आपके पास आने से रह जाएंगे। फाइनल प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन, देन प्रोटोटाइप, प्राइसिंग, प्रमोशन, देन कस्टमर फीडबैक, देन करेक्शन, देन फाइनल लॉन्च, देन कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट। आप जाते हो गाड़ी सर्विस कराने, आपको अच्छे से कुछ छोटा मोटा गिफ्ट दे दें, कुछ दे दें, या आपसे कोई फीडबैक सर्वे लेते हैं, उसमें आपको 500 रुपीज़ का अमेजन का, 1000 रुपीज़ का अमेजन का वाउचर दे दें, तो कस्टमर डिलाइट। कभी कभार कोई रैली कर दी, आ जाओ महिंद्रा की गाड़ी है, या कोई आपका फ्री, क्या बोलते हैं, फ्री चेकअप, फ्री महिंद्रा चेकअप वीक, कोई खर्चा नहीं लगेगा, आके अपनी गाड़ी चेक करा जाओ, कस्टमर डिलाइट। कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट, जैसे आपको पता है मर्सिडीज, BMW वगैरह, ये कहीं ना कहीं साल में एक बार गेट टुगेदर करते हैं, जितने भी BMW के ओनर्स हैं इन लुधियाना, उनके लिए एक हॉलोवीन कंसेप्ट, कोई स्नोफॉल कंसेप्ट, ऐसे ऐसे बाहर कहीं बना के उनको खूब मस्ती कराते हैं, ड्रिंक्स ये वो, अपने कस्टमर्स को बुला के अच्छे डिनर डुनर ये वो। तो दिस इज़ हाउ BMW, मर्सिडीज एक्सेट्रा दे आर डूइंग कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप। बर्थडे विशेज, फलाना ढिमका। तो फैमिली, अगर कल को नई गाड़ी लॉन्च होती है, आपको डिस्काउंट दे दिया 50,000 का, ओल्ड यूजर ऑफ आवर महिंद्रा विल गेट दिस, फिर देन यू विल गेट ए प्रायोरिटी इन द डिलीवरी। अगर बाकियों के लिए 12 मंथ है तो आपको फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स में दूंगा, लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ कस्टमर लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम्स, ब्ला 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 ब्ला। तो ये सारी गैम्बिट है सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग। ये इतना नहीं बोलना है, बट मैक्रो लेवल मेजर स्टेप्स यू शुड हैव क्लैरिटी।
ओके सर।
ये इतनी क्लैरिटी होगी, IMI तो लेफ्ट हैंड जॉब है, और IMI ऐसी सब चीज़ों को पूछता भी है, वैल्यू भी करता है। कोका कोला, पेप्सी, पतंजलि, ये सब डिफरेंट मार्केटिंग की क्या क्या अच्छे केस स्टडीज हैं, उनको पूछ सकता हो, ठीक है। कोई इसमें कोई लगता नहीं है नहीं होएगा, कोई कारण नहीं है। इसको क्लोज करता हूँ। कोई डाउट पूछ लो, कुछ बताए, बाकी बच्चों का क्या डाल देंगे।
सर मेरे को जैसे कि थोड़ी और चीज़ें भी डालनी है, जैसे कि इसमें अपने कोर्सेज बताने हैं, तो फिर मैं उसको इंट्रोडक्शन
चलो दोबारा दो
40 seconds
अभी बोलो, 40 नहीं 1 मिनट की बोलो।
Good morning, sir.
हाँ।
My name is Jagrit Mirwaha. I come from Ludhiana, Punjab. I am currently studying in the final year of my undergraduation. I am doing my undergraduation from SC Government College, Boys, Ludhiana. I am currently pursuing BCom honors. Uh, I come from a manufacturing background. Sorry, sir, Ludhiana का वो नहीं डाला point.
कोई बात नहीं, कुछ तो मैं कहा ना, हमने 15 पॉइंट डिस्कस किए हैं, उनमें 7-8 भी चलेंगे, चलेगा। हमने 100 पॉइंट डिस्कस करने, उनमें 4-5 चले एकदम सही लगे, बढ़िया।
I come from a business background. My father runs a manufacturing unit of hosiery products. And coming from a manufacturing and business background, I had a keen interest in commerce and management. The reason that I choose BCom as a degree and MBA for my post graduation. Apart from my curriculum, I have actively participated in my extracurricular activities, like for my interest in sports. I am a state level gold medalist in Taekwondo. Apart from that, I have a 1-year volunteer program that I did for
अब
youth
क्योंकि
race.
इंटरेस्टिंग चल रही है सारी, तो मैं इंटरेस्ट से सुन रहा हूँ, तो 1.25 मिनट भी जा सकती है। ओके, चलते जाओ।
Apart from that, I did a 1-year volunteer program for Youth Against Injustice Foundation. Our main goal was youth against rape, and we did drives like good touch, bad touch, and menstruation cycle drives in Ludhiana and in a lot of parts of the country as well. Apart from
अवेयरनेस बीच में डाल देना, अवेयरनेस ड्राइव्स
and distribution drives as well. Apart from that, I am the internship member of the Innovation Institution Council of my college body, and I have done I have done multiple events to increase entrepreneurship and business in my college. And apart from my college, apart from my college events, I have done some events with external bodies like Pet Pro India and Palm Walk Ludhiana as well, and in each event we had a registration of over 300
चलो
people.
अभी ये तो अच्छा हो गया कि वो इंटरेस्ट से सुन रहा है, लंबा जा रहा है. अभी थोड़ा और ब्रीफ करते हुए एंड वाली चीज़ ये जो है ना मीटी, मैंने ये किया वो किया एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वाला, वो थोड़ा आगे लाने की कोशिश करते हैं, थोड़ा फास्ट करते हैं, इसको शॉर्टन करते हैं. सर आई हेल फ्रॉम सिटी ऑफ लुधियाना. My father is into business. I have grown up seeing him manage his business, so I took field of commerce, and now I feel MBA is the most logical next step forward. In MBA I want to pursue marketing. एक बार इस सीक्वेंस को लेके चलना, अभी तक 10-15 सेकंड हुए. Why marketing? Because I have worked during my college. I was in charge of the project, this
Innovation
innovation
Institute
institute.
also.
Plus I have done some marketing live projects,
Events as well.
events and projects with these ऐसे करके. अब ये हुआ 40 सेकंड, बट इसमें अपने मेन यूएसपीज आगे सिर्फ एक टाइकोंडो छूटा, उसको टुवर्ड्स द एंड बोल दें. ठीक है. एंड देन I have done taekwondo. I am also a sports enthusiast, and on hobbies I play guitar and this tabla, so I am also a music enthusiast. म्यूजिक एंथुसियास्ट जैसे बोलोगे, मेरे को 2 बार आया बीच में, तो इसलिए मैं पूछ लेता हूँ कि और बच्चे को भी पूछ सकते हैं. अरिजीत सिंह quit singing,
Yes, sir.
and he has said I am launching a political party in Bangalore. This was today's call. Have you heard this news or no?
Not
So
today.
you should listen to. मतलब अब यहाँ बैठो तो न्यूज़ 5 बार दिन में देख लो. मेरे को कैसे पता है? क्योंकि इन शॉर्ट्स हैं, या क्योंकि मैं टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ये सब देखता हूँ. पिछले 7 दिन से यही पूरे देश में चल रहा था. Why he has quit singing at such a young age? तो he said I am boring, फलाना ढिमका, it became boring, मतलब monotonous हो गया फलाना ढिमका. आज एक real reason निकल के आया. It's a good thing. पूछ सकते हैं आप your views on it. तो your views, let me ask.
Why political?
नहीं, what do you think about his decision of quitting singing at such a young age and launching a political party in upcoming elections in Bengal?
I think that the decision was good because looking at the current situation of Bengal, the political spectrum, we genuinely need some good leaders in the state and
In the whole country पे ले जाओ.
in the whole country and in the
Bengal
state as
specific
well.
मत बात करना. वो क्या ना, हाँ बोलो अभी.
Because
कोई नहीं. Your flow was good, direction was right. आगे चलो.
I think the decision taken by एक बार शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. I think the decision taken by Arjit Singh was good as the country and the state needs a good leadership and
More young,
more young and new people
new
in the
thinking, having
pol-
people.
and especially that come from a very struggling background and they know the on ground experiences and the struggles that the youth and the country are facing and not just from a artistic side but from a
It will help. बस.
educational
I
side as
have
well.
positive hopes.
I have positive
If such decisions, इससे एक तो ये बोले, sir, I think it is a very welcome decision because we need good, clean, honest young people in politics who don't come with a baggage of politics, who come with a fresh mind, fresh thinking. Could be and youth are going many. The number of youth is increasing. So in days to come, more young people should join with who have progressive thinking, positive thinking. I think he comes his when I listen to his songs, they touch the heart and soul. So it seems and I feel, I hope he will be a very good person for the country and state. So such people's coming and joining politics who don't come with a baggage of bad politics or other past parties or family political background. I think it will be a very welcome thing. I think many such people should join politics and do changes which India deserves. तो जैसे वो बोलेगा इंडिया डिजर्व, आप बोलोगे फिर उसके ऑफ हार्ट इंडिया डिजर्व, तो आपको सारा कुछ आयरन ओर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज we need to grow at much faster rate, our per capita incomes need to increase, farmers thing has to increase, whole ST development plan का सब चल रहा है. ठीक है. God bless. बहुत अच्छा रहा. शाबाश. सब बच्चों के लिए